The summit reflects growing frustration among many countries that decades of UN negotiations have focused on emissions targets without directly tackling fossil fuels production, which is the main driver of global warming. Major oil producers, including the United States and Saudi Arabia, are not attending. Elon Musk has testified in court in California in a high-stakes trial over the future of OpenAI, casting his lawsuit as a defense of charitable giving. The world's richest person is suing OpenAI, its CEO Sam Altman and President Greg Brockman, alleging the company breached its original promise to operate for the benefit of humanity. Musk argued OpenAI's shift to a for-profit structure risk undermining trust in charities, warning it could damage the foundations of charitable giving. In his testimony, Musk said, and I quote, "If we make it okay to look at charity, the entire foundation of charitable giving in America will be destroyed. That's my concern," unquote. He also described OpenAI as his brainchild, saying he came up with the idea, the name, recruited key talent, and provided the initial funding. Musk added, and I quote, "It was specifically meant to be for a charity that does not benefit any individual person. I could have started it as a for-profit, and I specifically chose not to," unquote. However, lawyers for OpenAI pushed back strongly, arguing it was Musk himself who initially supported a for-profit structure. OpenAI's legal team said the creation of a for-profit entity in 2019 was essential to secure computing power and attract top talent. They also pointed to competition from rivals such as Google, DeepMind as a key driver behind the shift. Musk's lawyers, meanwhile, accused OpenAI executives of prioritizing profits, as the company drew billions in investment from Microsoft. At the heart of the case is whether OpenAI abandoned its founding principles in pursuit of commercial success. If Musk succeeds, he's seeking to force OpenAI to return to a non-profit model and is also demanding billions of dollars in financial disgorgement. He has further called for the removal of Sam Altman as the director and as an officer of the company's for-profit entity, as well as the stripping of his equity stake. Musk is also seeking similar action against Greg Brockman, who is currently serving as the president of OpenAI.